Today we are going to practice drawing some very simple hydrocarbons. So we have the name of the hydrocarbon down here on the side, and what I've done is I've gone through and I've used the prefix to tell me how many carbons are there. So from your notes from last week on Thursday, I had a chart that had all the prefixes for organic molecules, and you're going to use those to figure out that methane means there's 1 carbon, ethane means 2, propane 3, and so on. And then there's a spot for us to draw the structural formula, what it looks like, and the molecular formula, how we would give it like the common formula we're used to writing. So we'll do a few of these together, and then I'll let you practice a couple on your own. So the first one, methane, this means that we're going to have 1 carbon, and I'm going to put it right in the middle. And then I'm going to fill all the empty spaces with hydrogen. So since carbon can make 4 bonds, I'm going to have 4 hydrogens coming off of the central carbon. And the molecular formula, that would be C, 1 carbon, H, 1, 2, 3, 4. CH4 would be the molecular formula for methane. Ethane has 2 carbons, so when I'm drawing these hydrocarbons, if I have more than 1 carbon, I bond those together first. So for ethane, I'm going to have 2 carbons bonded together, and I'm going to fill all the empty spots with hydrogen. So this carbon already has 1 bond, so it has a spot here for a hydrogen, here for a hydrogen, here for a hydrogen, and the same thing on this one. So I'm going to end up with C2, H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll skip propane, I'll do one of the ones down here. I'll do pentane. So pentane has 5, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Bond those all together. I'm going to go ahead and write that this is C5. H something. I'm going to get the H number by filling in all of my empty spots on my carbons with hydrogen. This carbon has 1 of the 4 bonds used up, so I'm going to do 3 more hydrogens on this one. This carbon already has 2 bonds, so the empty spaces on it, the other 2 will be hydrogen bonds. Same thing here and here. And then those carbons on the end of the chain can make 3 bonds. So this one, pentane, would be C5H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can go ahead now and try propane, butane, and hexane on your own. You can also draw octane down here. Remember, we're only worried about the structural formula, not this carbon skeleton stuff, just how to draw the basic structure of it. So go ahead and try those, and I will post answers to Brightspace so you can check if you're doing it right.